Hi ladies, it's Dawn and I am here today to show you what I am currently using in my shower. These are my bath, hair, and everything that I keep in my shower. And it often changes because I rotate my products pretty often. However, I usually buy clean, non-toxic, products to cleanse my body with and do all that kind of stuff. So I'm just going to show you what I have in my shower right now and what I'm really enjoying. So let's just get to it. Okay, so the first thing I'm gonna do is start with my hair products. I usually have several products in my shower that I rotate for my hair, but lately I've been using the same one because I'm really enjoying it and I like the way it makes my short hair. It gives it just the right amount of conditioning. It feels really fresh and I like the way my hair dries the next day after I use it. And it's by Beauty and the Planet. And it's the coconut oil and ylang ylang sulfate-free shampoo and conditioner. And they look like this. They smell really nice. They smell like coconut and ylang ylang. They smell really good. It's a very light fragrance, very fresh, and I'm really enjoying this summer. So I use this on most days. There are some days where I use a co-wash instead of using a typical shampoo that lathers up. And I use this probably twice a week, and it's the Carol's Daughter Hair Milk Cleansing Conditioner. And if you've been watching me, I always use Carol's Daughter products. They're always in my rotation. I really like the Black Vanilla, I think that's what it's called, in the winter months because it's like just a deeper, more mysterious fragrance. But I really like Carol's Daughter, and I like this cleansing conditioner a lot. And you can often find this at Marshall's or TJ Maxx for like $6. So that's where I buy mine. And so those are the hair products I have right now. Yep, that's all I have for my shampooing my hair. But I also have a deep conditioning mask, and this is the Trader Joe's Shea Butter and Coconut Oil Hair Mask. I found out about this from Ella's for Living, and I purchased it right away, and I'm already almost done with my first tube of it. I'll definitely be repurchasing this. It keeps the ends of my hair really healthy and nice. So when I put that in my hair, I usually let it set in my hair for a while I lather up my body and shave my legs. And so after I put it in my hair, I brush my hair with this brush that I keep in the shower. And sorry, it's kind of gross, but I like that I can hang this brush up. It's plastic, it's easy to clean, and I just brush my hair products through my hair with it. And I got it at Ulta, so this is just the brush I keep in my shower. I would definitely repurchase this brush. I think it's a great shower brush. Also for my hair, I keep this in my shower, and it is the Living Proof Perfect Hair Day in Shower Styler. I like this product a lot, but I don't use it every day. When I wake up in the morning, so what you do is after you shampoo your hair, condition your hair while you're in the shower, you put this in your hair prior to getting out, and you just kind of run it through your hair. And what it's supposed to do is sort of keep your hair in a nicer, frizz-free kind of style the next day, and it does do that. But some days I prefer to not have anything at all in my hair. I just like it to feel really fresh and really natural. When I have product in my hair, I can feel the product in my hair. So I use it some days I don't. I do think it's a very effective product. I think that it makes my hair dry very nicely, and I do like it a lot. So if you're someone who doesn't mind the feeling of some product in your hair, I would recommend this. But some days I use it, some days I don't. So I'm really glad that I didn't buy the super large container because this will last me a very long time. Okay, the next thing I have in my shower are masks. And this one I've had for a very long time, over a year, and I haven't gotten through it, but I do really like it. And it's the Mario Badescu Skincare Enzyme Cleansing Gel. And this is an enzymatic cleanser, and I really like enzymatic cleansers. It uses enzymes to exfoliate your skin. So I just put a little bit of the product on my hands and I rub it all over my face, and I just let it set there while I shave my legs, while my conditioner's cooking in my hair, and then I rinse it off. And it does do a really good job of removing any kind of dead skin cells and things like that on my skin. So I rotate this one with the Bioactive 8-Berry Fruit Enzyme Mask by Andalou Naturals. I like this fruit enzyme mask. Again, it's an enzymatic mask, and I put it on my face while I do the rest of my body care. And I use this in the summer and spring months. In the fall and winter, I like to use their glycolic honey and pumpkin enzyme mask. I decided to try this one for the summer months. I like it very much, but I prefer the pumpkin enzyme mask by Andalou Naturals. It's the one in the orange jar. But this is a good mask, and it smells slightly of berries. You just take a little scoop of it, put it on your face, let it set for 3 to 5 minutes and rinse it off. You could leave it on a little longer than that if you want to, but I'm not typically in the shower very long, so everything is pretty quick. And then one of my absolute favorites, and I only use this probably about 3 times a week, and this is the Trader Joe's Blueberry and Acia Facial Scrub. This one is very active. It smells delicious. It has a strong smell of fruity berries. It's thick, kind of like clay, and it has pieces in it that are, I think, like seeds, and there's a lot of them in there. So it is not only an enzymatic exfoliator, but it's a physical exfoliator too. It's more powerful than the Mario Badescu or the Andalou. So I don't use this one every day because I'm also using other acids and things like that on my skin, and I don't want my skin to get irritated. It can get sensitive when I'm using too many harsh products. My skin is kind of chill. It likes to be pampered more than it likes to be exfoliated, and it doesn't really like a lot of harsh products on it. I'm learning that about myself. So this is a sometimes, but it's always in the shower. I definitely will repurchase it. It's about $30. So I really like this one, and I like the Derma E Microdermabrasion Scrub equally. So sometimes I just alternate the two. When I run out of one, I get the other, and vice versa. I'll link them both below. But the Derma E Microdermabrasion Scrub was my favorite for a long time. That one has a slight citrusy fragrance. It's not as strong as this one. So if you don't like fragrance, you might want to try that one. The fragrance is natural, and it's the fruit enzymes in it that do the work that you're smelling. So, but yeah, they're very effective masks, and they make my skin feel like I've had a facial. Okay, the next thing I do when I'm in the shower, right before I get out, I keep this in my shower, and this is a very soft toothbrush, almost like a baby toothbrush. I found it on Amazon. I'll link it if I could still find it. I have a pack of them. They're super duper soft. And I only use these at night. During the morning, I use a soft toothbrush, but it's not as soft as this. This is almost like too soft. But the reason why I use this very soft toothbrush is because I use the Schmidt's Wondermint activated charcoal toothpaste in the shower. So every night I use a little bit of the activated charcoal toothpaste, and I brush my teeth with it. And this is a big part of my teeth whitening regimen. I don't use white strips or anything like that. I just really rely on baking soda, a light peroxide, coconut oil, and this activated charcoal toothpaste, and then a natural whitening toothpaste during the day. And they're very effective at whitening my teeth. You have to be careful with charcoal though, because it can damage the enamel on your teeth if you're too harsh. So that's why I have the really, really soft toothbrush, and I just kind of go over my teeth and like you would to make sure I'm removing any stains or things like that from the coffee and tea that I drink during the day. And I think it does a good job of keeping my teeth nice and white. For my body, I have my usual typical shower puff that most people use, and this is the one I'm using right now. And my shower gel right now is the Love Beauty and Planet Shea Butter and Sandalwood Majestic Moisture Body Wash. It's a clean, natural brand, and it smells really good. It comes out like a creamy, milky product, but it foams up so nicely, and it feels really luxurious. So it comes out creamy, and you just buff it into your skin, and you're covered with just like this nice lather, and you just rinse so nice and clean, and it leaves a great fragrance behind. It makes me feel nice and clean, and again, it's clean and natural and doesn't have any harsh fragrances that are unnatural or any toxic ingredients. I just feel really good when I use this product. I typically use the Alba Botanicals shower gels in my shower, the great big ones, and I love those, but I decided to try something new because I was enjoying the shampoo and conditioner by Love Beauty and Planet. So I decided to try this, and I would really recommend these. They smell so good. So that's what I'm using to wash my body. Another product that I have in my shower that is not clean and natural, but I do enjoy very much, is the Dove Body Wash Mousse with rose oil. And this is also really good for shaving. And so that's what I typically use this for, is like a shaving cream to shave my legs and my underarms. My shaver, I subscribe to the Dollar Shave Club, and I get my cartridges there, and I just have a non-disposable shaver, and then I just replace my cartridges from the Dollar Shave Club. So I keep that in my shower, and it was pretty wet, so I left it hanging to dry. But I use this to shave my legs, and I really like it a lot. Another thing I have in my shower, and this lasts forever, when I'm not treating myself to something a little nicer like the Dove with rose oil, I just use the good old-fashioned Barbasol. If you get the unscented, it's clean. It's been around forever and ever, I think since like the early 1900s. It's just a great shaving gel, and this has aloe in it, so it leaves my legs very soft and nourished after I shave. And oh, I have one more thing. I typically keep a bar of lemon soap. I buy organic lemon soap. I purchase it online, and this one is by the brand Yaga, and it's made in Montana. And it's a lemon soap, and I keep it in this Eco Tools. I think this is an Eco Tools soap bag, and I use this to really scrub my hands, my shoulders and back and my chest, because I hope that the lemon, the essential oil, the lemon in it will help kind of fade sunspots and things like that. And it does have it's like an enzymatic exfoliant. So I really like this. I was trying to get away from shower gels just because of the packaging and stuff and go to bar soap, but that's been a hard transition for me. I'm not gonna give up. I'm gonna wait till I can find a really good soap that I can live with, one that doesn't leave soap scum in my shower. This does not, but it just takes a lot longer for me to shower my whole body with a bar of soap than it does just using this and this. So anyways, that is what I have in my shower currently, and I hope you enjoyed this. I can do these periodically because I do change up what I have in my shower, and these are the products that I'm really loving right now, and I'm gonna go put them back in my shower. Leave me any questions or comments below. Let me know anything you're loving in your shower right now, and if it's clean and natural, that's even better, because I try really hard to stick with mostly clean and natural in my hair, skin, and body products. Thank you for spending some time with me, and I hope you have a blessed and beautiful day.